Hello students, how are you all? Yes, today's our subject is English. Lesson 1, the new bicycle. It is revision. Okay, last lecture also we did revision. We did revision of lesson 1, the new bicycle. Okay, now you all have understood, no? Revision we did in last lecture, but today then also I will do the revise that the topics so that you will be able to remember it. Okay, so see here, what is this? Happy birthday. It is happy birthday of Sriti. Do you remember the picture I had showed you last time? It is in the lesson. Okay, Shruti, her grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, grandmother and her mother. Okay, so what we will do today? Today we will revise. Today we will revise. What topic we will revise? True or false? True or false? You know that sentence which are right are true and the sentence which are wrong are false. Then we will do rearrange the letters. What we will do? Rearrange the letters. Then we will do answer in one word. This all we have done in the last lecture also. But today we will do answer this question, means question answers. We will do revision of question answers. Okay, remember this. What we will revise today? True or false? Rearrange the letters. Answer in one word and answer these questions. Now you know which topics we have done. This all I have given in your book. Okay, you must have written in your fair book. Okay, so now see, we will read this lesson so that you will be able to answer me. What we will be able to do? Answer me. See, my name is Shruti. It is my birthday today. I am 6 years old. My grandfather gives me a gift. It is a new bicycle. It is orange and yellow in color. It is bright and shiny too. See, today we will do only read, okay, revision of reading. So, you have to read with me. My name is Shruti. It is my birthday today. I am now 6 years old. My grandfather gives me a gift. It is a new bicycle. It is orange and yellow in color. It is bright and shiny too. Okay, so now my mother puts an orange basket in front of the bicycle. My grandmother gives me red ribbons. She asks me to tie them to the handle. I ride my bicycle every evening. My father says I must wear a helmet. I love my bicycle. See again. My mother puts an orange basket in front of the bicycle. My grandmother gives me red ribbons. She asked me to tie them to the handle. I ride my bicycle every evening. My father says I must wear a helmet. I love my bicycle. Okay? See now. True or false? I told you true or false. So, okay. True or false? See the spelling of true. T-R-U-E. True. F-A-L-S-E. False. Now say you have to give me answer. I will not say. Okay. Number 1. Shruti is 6 years old. See, I am reading again. Shruti is 6 years old. So is this sentence true or false? Do you remember? Do you know? Can you answer? Yes. What will be the answer? Shruti is 6 years old. What will be the answer? The answer is true. T-R-U-E. True. Shruti is 6 years old. True. Number 2. See number 2. The bicycle is old. The bicycle is old. Bicycle. Is bicycle old? No. Bicycle is new. It is birthday gift of Shruti, no? So, the bicycle is old. That sentence is false. That sentence is false. Number 2. The bicycle is old. The sentence is false. So, what we will write? F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay. Now, number 3. Shruti's grandmother gives her red ribbons. Shruti's grandmother. See your apostrophe. Shruti's grandmother gives her red ribbons. Shruti's grandmother gives her red ribbons. So now you know the sentence is true. Sentence is false. What will be the answer? The answer is true or false? What you have to write here? You have to write true. What you have to write? True. See number 3. Shruti's grandmother gives her red ribbons. Answer is true. Okay? See now. Shruti is 6 years old. True. Number 2. The bicycle is old. False. Number 3. Shruti's grandmother gives her red ribbons. True. Okay. So now see number 4. Shruti rides her bicycle every morning. Shruti rides her bicycle every morning. Okay. So the sentence is true or false? See again I am reading. Shruti rides her bicycle every morning. Sentence is false. So what is the right sentence? Here it should be evening. Do you remember? Again number 4. Shruti rides, see the spelling of rides. Shruti rides her bicycle every morning. Sentence is false. Okay. Number 5. Shruti's father gives her a helmet. See here the helmet. Number 5. Shruti's father. See here apostrophe. Yes, Shruti's father. Okay. Shruti's father gives her a helmet. So the sentence is true. Sentence is true, no? Yes. See now again I am reading for number 4, so that you will be able to read and answer properly. Shruti rides her bicycle every morning. False. Number 5 is Shruti's father gives her a helmet. Sentence is true. Okay? I think now you all have know true or false. You all be knowing true or false. Yes? Okay. Now see. Rearrange the letters. We have done this rearranging the letters, and you know that all these are names of colors. Okay? So here what you have to do, that you know. Because here the letters are given. You only have to rearrange. Mean you have to write in order so that it will make a word. It will be a name of color. So first listen. Rearrange the letters. E-B-U-L. See number 1. E-B-U-L. E-B-U-L. What it will become? Yes, you all know. I will not say the answer. Number 2. E-N-G-E-R. This also you know. Do you know? Do you remember? Yes. E-N-G-E-R. You know the answer. N-K-P-I. This also you know the word. Okay. I will only read it. N-K-P-I. Okay. Number 4. L-E-P-R-U-P. So what will be here? That you know. Last lecture I have showed you. We have done this. Number 5. R-Y-E-G. What will come here? That also you know. Okay. See now. E-B-U-L. The word is B-L-U-E. Blue. What will become? B-L-U-E. Blue. Number 2. E-N-G-E-R. The word is green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Number 3. N-K-P-I. It is P-I-N-P-I-N-K. Pink. Number 4. L-E-P-R-U-P. So the letters are not in order. So the answer is P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. R-Y-E-G. It is, what is the word here? G-R-E-Y. Grey. See now I show you. Okay, have you seen the answer? Yes, it was right or no? Wrong? You did no? Yes. So what will be the word? E-B-U-L. It will be B-L-U-E. Okay. Number 2. E-N-G-E-R. It is G-R-E-E-N. Green. Number 3. N-K-P-I. It is P-I-N-K. Pink. Number 4. L-E-P-R-U-P. It is purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Number 5. R-Y-E-G. It is G-R-E-Y. Grey. So you all have done this. Blue, green, pink, purple, grey. Okay. So you know all these rearrange the letters, how you have to write. The letters are not in order. Then you have to write the word. Okay. So now see here. Next topic. Answer in one word. Next question. Answer in one word. So what you have to do here? That also I told you. So now you know. You don't have to write full sentence answer. You only have to write only one word. Okay. This also I explained you in the last lecture. It was revision and this is also revision. Question number 1. What is the occasion? Do you know the answer? Yes. Can anyone answer? Yes. You all know. What is the occasion? The occasion is marriage. It is a birthday. Yes. Which celebration it is? What is the occasion? So, the occasion is, do you remember? Birthday. Yes. What is the occasion? Answer 1. It is birthday. Do you remember the spelling? B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. Birthday. Yes. You have seen that cycle. It is yellow and orange in color and Shruti got a birthday gift. A new bicycle. Okay. Okay. Now see question number 2. Who gives Shruti a bicycle? You all know the answer. Yes. Can you say? Who gives Shruti a bicycle? Yes. Who gives bicycle to Shruti? Do you remember? Yes. You all know the answer. The answer is grandfather. Okay. So, question. Who gives Shruti a bicycle? Answer is grandfather. Okay. See now. Question number 3. What is the color of the basket? Can you see here a basket? Now what is the color? Yes, you all know this. What is the color of the basket? See again, first you read the question so you will be able to answer correctly. What is the color of the basket? Yes, you all know the answer. The basket color is orange. Yes, you have to give only one word answer. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. See the spelling. Okay. Now, question number 4. Who gives her red ribbons? Who gives her red ribbons? Can you see your ribbons? Do you remember anything? Yes, it is tied to the handle, no? So, who gives her red ribbons? You all know the answer. Yes, who gives her? Her means Shruti. Who gives Shruti red ribbons? Yes, do you remember? Can you answer? Yes, you all are good. You all know the answer. Yes, this is revision. So now you have done, no? You must have written in your fair book also. So the answer is, what is the answer? Who gives her red ribbons in the birthday? I showed you now, just now also I showed you the picture. Yes, who was holding the red ribbons? Yes, who gives her red ribbons? Do you remember? Who gives? Grandmother. Who gives red ribbons? Grandmother. See now question number 4. Who gives her red ribbons? See the spelling of ribbons. Answer 4 is grandmother. Answer in one word, no? So only one word you have to write. See question 3. What is the color of the basket? See the picture and answer. Answer is orange. Question 4. Who gives her red ribbons? Answer 4 is grandmother. Yes, grandmother gives red ribbons. Now here this is ribbons. So it is her birthday gift. Why she gives? To tie to the handle. Okay. To have done this, no? So now see here. Today we will revise this. In last lecture we have not done this. Okay. So in this lecture we will do revision of answer these questions. See number question 1. Where? See the spelling of where. Where does Shruti's mother? Say Shruti's mother. Apostrophe S. Shruti's mother put the basket. Here is question mark. Now see, this you have to answer in full sentence. Okay. And you know that when the sentence starts, first letter is capital and at the end there is a full stop. So question number 1. Where does Shruti's mother put the basket? You all know, no? The basket was orange in color. But where does Shruti's mother put? Yes. Do you remember? Where does Shruti's mother put the basket? So the answer is answer 1. Shruti's mother put the basket in front of the bicycle. Do you remember? See again, revise this. Answer 1. See the spelling. Shruti's mother. Shruti's mother. Shruti's mother put the basket in front of the bicycle. Yes. See again question number 1. Where does Shruti's mother put the basket? Answer 1 is Shruti's mother put the basket in front of the bicycle. Yes, in front of the bicycle. Understood? See again. Answer question 1. Where does Shruti's mother put the basket? Shruti's mother put the basket in front of the bicycle. Question number 2 is, why does Shruti's father give her a helmet? What will be the answer here? Question 2. See here. This is another question. Why? W-H-Y. Why does D-O-E-S. Does Shruti's father give her a helmet? Why does Shruti's father give her a helmet? Do you remember the answer? Yes, this is revision, so you all must be knowing it. Yes, you all know the answer, no? Question number 2. Why does Shruti's father, see Shruti's father, give her a helmet? Again I am reading this question 2. Why does Shruti's father give her a helmet? See now you all have to answer in full sentence. So your answer should be full sentence with correct spelling. Do you remember? So yes, many of them have answered. See, you all know, no? Why does Shruti's father give her a helmet? Now you all are good, you all are knowing the answer. So the answer 2 is Shruti's father gives her a helmet to protect her head. I told you, no, helmet is worn on the head. Why? To protect the head. Okay, while driving. So what Shruti's father gives? Shruti's father gives helmet. But the question is, why does Shruti's father give her a helmet? Answer 2 is, Shruti's father gives her a helmet to protect her head. We do know, we wear helmet. Why? To protect the head. Helmet is a hard hat. Can you see here the picture? It is a hard hat to protect the head. Okay, hard hat to protect the head. See, why does Shruti's father give her a helmet? Answer 2 is, Shruti's father gives her a helmet to protect the Head. Okay. Now see number question number 3. What does Shruti's grandmother ask her to do? See question 3. What does Shruti's grandmother ask her to do? Grandmother, see here. Can you see Shruti's picture? What does Shruti's grandmother? Yes. What grandmother do? Tells her, ask her to do. Question is, what does Shruti's grandmother ask her to do? Answer is, Shruti's grandmother ask her to tie. See, read the answer. Shruti's grandmother, see the spelling. Shruti's grandmother, ask, A-S-K-S, see here it is only ask, but the answer you have to write, ask, A-S-K-S, ask her to tie the red ribbons to the handle. Okay, Shruti's grandmother asked her to tie the red ribbons to the handle. Do you remember this? Question 3. What does Shruti's grandmother ask her to do? Answer 3 is, Shruti's grandmother asked her to tie the red ribbon. See, it is very full sentence. Yes. To tie the red ribbons to the handle. Ask her, Shruti's grandmother asked her to tie the red ribbons to the handle. See how you have to write the answer. Question 3. What does Shruti's grandmother ask her to do? So answer 3 is, Shruti's grandmother asked her to tie the red ribbons to the handle. Do you remember the spelling of handle? H-A-N-D-L-E, handle. This is called handle. Okay. So, see here, this is handle. We catch it, no? We hold it in our hand and then we ride bicycle. Yes, so that is handle. Yes. So, Shruti's grandmother asked her to tie the red ribbons to the handle. Okay. Now see question number 4. What is question 4? It is very easy. The answer is, what does Shruti loves? Yes, you all know this answer. This is very simple. Question 4 is, what does Shruti loves? Yes, Shruti, do you remember? What does Shruti loves? The answer is, Shruti loves her bicycle. Do you remember, no? Yes, so first letter is capital and after that there is a full stop. What does Shruti loves? So answer 4 is, Shruti loves her bicycle. Okay. See now question number 3. What does Shruti's grandmother ask her to do? Answer 3 is, Shruti's grandmother asked her to tie the red ribbons to the handle. See, you have to write in full sentence. Okay. And after the sentence is finished, you have to do your full stop. Understood? So, you have to write properly. Shruti's first letter is capital. Shruti's grandmother asked her to tie the red ribbons to the handle. Okay. Answer 3. Shruti's grandmother asked her to tie the red ribbons to the handle. Okay, now question number 4. See here question number 4. What does Shruti loves? Answer 4 is, Shruti loves her bicycle. What does Shruti loves? Shruti loves her bicycle. See here, Shruti is riding bicycle. She loves her bicycle. Okay, so you have to read this and learn this answer, and your first letter always should be capital. Okay, do you remember now? Now I think you all have done this question answer in your fair book also, and you have done revision also. Okay, so now be safe at home and do your work properly and listen to your parents. Okay, write with good handwriting and be safe at home. Okay, take care of yourself. Yes, okay.